just going to come straight towards it. Yeah, look, it's blowing up transformers. It's coming this way. It's coming over the river. Oh my God. Yeah, we got somebody got a good camera? Yeah, we need to move. Straight in front of us.
Let me get my wine.
Hey, there it is.
There it is. That's right over the dorms right there. Is that Lakeside? Yeah, that's Lakeside.
Look at all the stuff and all the debris here. Don't bang. No.
You can see all the blue and stuff like from Transformers.
Yeah, look at that debris. Let me try to zoom in. Get my wine.
It's pretty nuts. We got this on camera.
That's right, the rec center right there.
Everybody's
No, that's
recording.
not the rec center.
Look all that stuff. I wish it'd keep going to the left.
Yeah, it's smooth. Look at that debris in there.
Lakeside, roll south.
Holy cow, look at the size of this thing.
I'm out here.
Let's see what everybody's doing in this emergency.
Which way is it going?
Nobody runs anymore. Everybody pulls a phone out. Look at the size of that monster. And we have the brave people down here. Everybody wants a better shot. It's amazing how small this looks on camera. Turn it off.